In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a hanging indent on PowerPoint in 2025. Hanging indents are a useful text formatting feature that can enhance the readability of your slides by aligning the first line of your paragraph at the left margin and indenting subsequent lines. This technique is particularly helpful for creating professional looking bibliographies or lists. Whether you're polishing a presentation for school or work, mastering this simple skill will give your slides a clean and polished look. To begin, you'll first want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already created your presentation, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, open the existing PowerPoint file that you want to edit. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the specific slide where you want to apply a hanging indent. Now select the paragraph to which you want to apply the hanging indent. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, ensuring that all the lines of the paragraph are highlighted. This is an important step because the hanging indent will only be applied to the text you've selected. Now head over to the Home tab, which you'll find in the top menu bar. This tab holds the majority of your text formatting options, including those related to paragraphs and indents. Look for the small paragraph section icon within the Home tab. It should appear as a small arrow in the lower right corner of the section. Clicking this icon will open the paragraph dialog box, a powerful tool where you can fine-tune your text formatting to your liking. With the paragraph dialog box open, focus your attention on the indentation section. This is the area where you can modify how your text aligns and spaces within a text box. You'll typically see options like left, right, and perhaps a few other settings. Now locate the special drop-down menu within that section. Click on the special drop-down and you should see an option labelled Hanging. Selecting this option tells PowerPoint to automatically apply a hanging indent to the selected text. This action will shift all but the first line of the paragraph to the right, creating the visual effect of a hanging indent. Once you've selected hanging, all that's left to do is click the OK button to apply your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a hanging indent to your text in PowerPoint. This adjustment will make your presentations look more organized, enhancing their overall appeal. Remember, you can always go back and adjust or remove the indent by following the same steps if needed. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. Be sure to leave a comment or question down below and look out for more tips on optimizing your presentation skills.